I cook, she cleans. Yeah, it's a good arrangement.
Linda Hellman and Frances Kane are sisters, but their latest arrangement has them turned into roommates.
Oh, she's really good. She makes sure my kitchen is clean.
But Kane really wants is a clean apartment at Vineville Christian Towers.
I'm just sitting, waiting.
She says she worn the same 3 outfits over and over again for 2 weeks because she couldn't get to her belongings.
And this is the ninth floor hallway.
Kane reached out to management, but they can't tell her when she could go back. Hellman says the city should do something about it.
This is a city problem. They need to fix it. They need to let the residents know they can go back home. I feel that they're being treated unfairly because they're not knowing anything. Nobody's telling them anything.
Last time I tried to come to Vineville Christian Towers, I was told to leave because it was private property. This time, I went inside to see if there was a manager, and they didn't want to speak at all.
I was over there at the Days Inn for about a week. Then they put me over here.
Linda Malden has lived at the Vineville Christian Towers for almost 7 years. She says living at the hotel is good, but like Kane, she's ready to go home.
They don't know for sure. The coordinators that were down there, they don't know for sure.
It's just a waiting game?
I reckon.
And Kane seems to be getting the same answers as Malden.
But they could only tell me that they don't know.
Now, I did see construction vehicles and technicians coming in and out of the apartment building when I was there today. They look to be working both inside and outside the building, but some people were told they would be moving back to different units. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Camila. Management tells us the pipes burst on Christmas Day due to freezing temperatures over the holiday weekend.